Moving on, the National Council of Churches of Kenya has rejected the Finance Bill 2026, claiming it does not protect vulnerable households as it seeks to expand the tax base. Appearing before the National Assembly Finance Committee, the clergy called for the withdrawal of the bill and a review of a proposed new taxation measure, terming them punitive. Mobile telecommunication company also submitted their reservations on the increase of excise duty on imported phones from 10% to 25%.
On the 6th day of stakeholders' engagement on the finance bill, the National Assembly Finance Committee received submissions from the religious leaders. The Anglican Church of Kenya, led by Archbishop Jackson Ole Sapit, and the National Council of Churches of Kenya raised concerns over the absence of meaningful pay-as-you-earn relief, supporting the proposal by the Kenya Bankers Association of a 5% reduction on payee across all tax bands. The clergy, while calling for the withdrawal of the Finance Bill 2026, warned that the taxes will increase inflation and worsen the cost of living for vulnerable households.
The NCCK recommends that the Finance Bill 2026 be withdrawn for a people-centered overhaul or substantially amended, because it raises taxes and expands enforcement powers without sufficient expenditure control.
The church also calls for stronger action against corruption and custom leakages instead of overburdening small traders with excessive taxation.
The clergy now wants the government to conduct a detailed economic impact assessment before implementing taxes affecting fuel, transport and digital systems.
Mr. Chair, we urge that you kindly protect faith-based institutions, the charitable and non-profit work, which rely on donations from individuals and institutions that have already paid taxes.
Similar reservations on proposed taxation were also registered by Kiharu member of National Assembly Ndindi Nyoro, who pushed for exemption of tax on fuel products.
We have a 74 shillings opportunity plus a 17 shillings opportunity to do something at the pump price. And therefore, I want to dissuade all of us, when we say an oil-producing country is a price taker, I agree in terms of landing cost, but there is a lot we can do in terms of our taxes and levies, which account for a lot.
Mobile phone companies also submitted their reservations for the proposed taxation measures, including increment of excise duty on imported phones from 10% to 25%. The Finance Committee is now expected to tour 15 counties as it engages citizens on the proposed revenue-raising measures. Geshoke Washira, Easy Friday.